Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about doing an outline around a font, and I started thinking while it's loading, sitting here waiting, kind of playing around, you could do the same thing to a star or any shape very easily. And to get this effect, let me zoom in here a little bit. Our star is 19 inches tall, so we're going to make our nudge distance 22. Click on your star, go to Effects, Contour. Now this time we're going to contour 4 times, 0.2 of an inch to the outside. Then you don't even have to break the contour apart. You can just click on this right here and get close. Get your Smart Fill tool and fill in that one. Cursor up with the arrow key 1 time. Get that one, cursor up. Get that one, cursor up. And in that quick, you have made a really cool looking star with crisp, clean vector lines, evenly spaced. It doesn't get any easier than that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.